Part 2 on the 2013 Chrysler C-Class 3.6 leak, water leak problem. So I had to take the top intake manifold off, the bottom one, because it was leaking. Also down there, that's the repair I did the other day. That one's good. The bottom manifold. This is the oil cooler pump. That's where it was messed up. This part, the dealer item, it runs you about a little bit under $600. This is a new one. We're gonna have to change out the manifold gaskets, both top and bottom. You're gonna get all that out of there. Shop vac, and then blow it out. Make sure you cover these guys. You don't want nothing going in your engine. This is the top intake. You might as well clean it out. Do not touch it. I repeat, do not touch that. You will mess up your car. New gaskets are on. Top new gaskets. See how dirty that came out? I repeat, guys, I cannot tell you enough, stress enough. Do not touch that. Don't scratch it. Don't push it. Just spray it with this guy. And that's it. It'll work better, cleaner. Do not move it. It's all put back together. You will have a little smoke coming out of there. It's burning off the coolant. That's normal. Just keep an eye on it. Make sure it doesn't leak again. You didn't tighten it right. Definitely helps to have a mechanic friend for this type of work. There it is. 2013 Chrysler 300C. Till next time.